it's Guy DiMartino. I'm a Northwest Indiana estate planning lawyer. I know I'm going to age myself, but I'm going to come back into the 1970s. And you may remember the rock opera Tommy. And the original music was scored by The Who, and the famous song was Pinball Wizard. Even on my usual table, he could beat my best. His disciples lead him in, and he just does the rest. He's got crazy flip of fingers. I've never seen him fall. That deaf, dumb, and blind kid sure plays a mean pinball. But with that being said, I'm not here to talk about rock nostalgia. I'm here to talk about estate planning. And one of the main things that we have to discuss whenever we talk about an estate planning is the who. The who. Who is going to get your stuff? Who do you want to leave your stuff to? Is it a spouse, children, grandchildren, church, charity, any other type of organization? Who do you want to leave your stuff? So you need to put down a list and say, these are the folks or entities that I want to leave my stuff to after I pass away. That's the first thing. The second thing is you have to go through that list and you need to really do an inventory regarding the folks. For instance, you may want to leave your spouse everything, but maybe your spouse never really handled the finances. Maybe your spouse is a great person, a great mother, a great grandmother, but is really poor at managing money or has a tendency to spend too much. Well, is there something that you can do to help protect your spouse from themselves? Same thing with kids. What happens if you pass away before your kids are 18 and you don't have something set up? What happens when they turn 18 if they're going to get a whole chunk of money? Is that going to do good for them, or can that potentially destroy their lives? Same things with the charity. Say you want to leave something to a charity, to a church. Maybe you want to set up a device where you specifically earmark what you are leaving to that organization, say the church or the synagogue. Maybe you want your money to go for spiritual formation for a new priest or a new rabbi or a new imam if you are go to a mosque. So those are the things. What if you have a special needs child? What type of vehicle can you use? What can you use to protect your special needs child so that when they get older, they will have some means to assist them because they won't be able to take care of themselves because maybe they have a physical infirmity or a mental infirmity. So there you have it. You really need to think about the who. And that is the first place that we start when we get together. And this is something that may take days, weeks, months, or years to determine who you really want to leave your stuff to. So there you have it. Not the band, but who you want in your estate plan. If you have any questions about Indiana estate plan, you can always give me a call. I am Guy DiMartino. Even on my usual table, he can beat my best. His disciples lead him in, and he just does the rest. He's got crazy flipper fingers. I've never seen him fall. That deaf, dumb, and blind kid sure plays a mean pinball. Sorry about that. It just is a good tune, and it's sitting me for all these years. Ciao.